This is my old Seiran, and I've printed probably 4 or 5 of these at least.
Yeah.
And like most 3D printed planes, they've suffered from the heat, sagging. So this one I've printed out of ColorFabb nGen CF10, which has 10% carbon fibre in it, and it can take up to 85 degrees temperature without sagging.
That's Celsius, folks.
That's Celsius,
yeah.
And so far, nothing indicating that it wants to sag, and today's going to be 42 Celsius. So good test.
There's plenty of sunshine, even at this time of the morning. I can feel it bearing down. So so far so. Looking good, Geoff.
Yeah, we're hanging in there.
It looks nice and steady.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got a bit of trimming to do in a minute. Land this time around.
Great. There we are. Nice one.